In fact, there are treasures everywhere in the house. Do you know these clever tips to turn trash into treasure? 1. Soy sauce bottle do not throw. With a marker like this line, and then cut along the line with a hobby knife, leaving this part of the cap with scissors to trim the edges of a simple and durable spatula is done. 2. The child cannot wear the t-shirt from the middle of the fold, and then like I draw a line cut down, and then lay the clothes flat. Will be the middle of the sewing here. The legs of the pants to do a wrap treatment, and then finally the waist of the pants sewn together a shrink tape. The child's shorts are ready. 3. The expiration date of the rolled paper laid flat, and then, like I do, inward, folded twice, and then twisted upward. So repeat the operation. Then roll up the rolled paper to get the shape of a rose, and then apply red paint to make it even more beautiful, and finally wrap the rose up to make a beautiful hand-held rose. 4. Remove the lid of the powdered milk cans, pliers to remove the bottle mouth excess tin, the sleeve of the used clothes cut down, and then set in the powdered milk cans, and then rolled a cardboard tube stuffed with cardboard, and then set of garbage bags, a good-looking and practical desktop garbage cans on the completion of the 5. Do not use the shoebox, do not lose the bottom of the cross and cut, like this combination, into a 4-pocket organizer. Move a little can become 3-pocket, and then move a little into 2-pocket. Storage of small objects. Do the fruit platter is very good. 6. Cut down the side of the shopping bag, the rest of the part of the unfolding, and then fold it up this way 3 times, and then the 2 sides with hot melt glue, the following handles cut down, and then cut from the center, respectively, glued on both sides and in the middle of the homemade multifunctional organizer bag is done. Hanging in the door to put a small object is very practical. 7. Laundry detergent bottle like this line after cutting open, and then use the cap to cut out the edge of the wave shape, the handle cut into the shape of a petal, the bottom of some small holes, so that use to plant flowers is very beautiful. 8. The husband does not want the shirt from the center cut, and then turned over to sew the 2 sides, then unbuttoned, and then turned over to sew the 4 edges of the last stuffed pillow core. A pillow is completed. Have you learned these clever and practical life tips?